Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use multiple filters on Instagram posts or how to add 2 or more filters to Instagram posts. The first thing you will do is open Instagram app. Once on the app, you're going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. Then you will select posts. After selecting post, you will select the photo that you would like to use. Then tap on next. Then from here you can select the first filter that you would like to use. For example, this one right here. After selecting the filter, you're going to tap on the arrow pointing down. That's going to save the photo. Once it has been saved, you're going to tap on the arrow to go back in the top left hand corner, and you're going to tap on discard. Then you'll simply select the photo as you can see right there with the new filter. Then tap on next in the top right hand corner again, and now you can select a new filter that you would like to use. For example, this one, Lark. Then you can tap on next. And from here you can continue uploading. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.